Islam does not recognize this person as a Muslim at all.
Friday prayers and Imam Syed Sawardi finds himself once again dealing with the issue of radicalization in his own city.
But my question is why Muslims do these things.
For many who come to prayers, the trend is disturbing.
This shows that ISIS has the roots already developed in our peaceful country, as well as in the small city like Calgary. They have the roots already over here.
तो मेरी बेटी पूछती अब्बा क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
Sawardi calls on his community to be vigilant, be part of the solution, but he lays the blame squarely on Canadian authorities.
In my opinion, government has failed to stop it. The intelligence has failed to monitor and to be vigilant about it.
Add Colin Gordon and his big brother Greg to the list of young Calgary Muslim men gone overseas to fight in Syria, as CBC News reported first last night. Prepared to die for ISIS, an extremist group that spares only the lives of those who follow it and seems to delight in the torture and murder of anyone else. In its annual report on the terrorist threat to Canada released today, Public Safety Canada acknowledged more than 130 individuals with Canadian connections abroad and suspected of terrorism-related activities. Most have gone to Syria, it says. The government's response includes targeted early intervention with individuals who have not yet crossed the threshold to violent extremist activity, disrupting attempts to travel for those who have, and acting on those who return to Canada after participating in terrorism-related activities abroad.
You have to wait and see.
This terrorism expert says Canada still lacks a detailed counter-radicalization strategy.
Canada is very far behind. Britain and the United States have been going at this a lot longer.
Canada seems a lot less vocal about it too. Both the RCMP and Public Safety Canada were happy to send us links to press releases and highlights of their counter-extremism programs, but neither would agree to an interview. Carolyn Dunn, CBC News, Calgary.